Okay, we're going to look at BIDMAS, order of operations with algebra now. So we've done order of operations before, and we're just going to have a look at those rules again, but with algebra. Okay, so just reviewing what BIDMAS stands for. B is for bracket, so you do brackets first. Okay, if there's any brackets. Indices are like powers. So for example, 7 squared, that's called an index or an indice. Now, we probably won't have to worry about these too much in year 7, more in year 8. Then we've got division and multiplication, but you group these together and you do whichever comes first, right, from left to right. And then addition and subtraction are also grouped together. You don't necessarily do subtraction after addition. You do whichever one comes first from left to right. Left to right. So let's have a look at first example. All right, so we've got 3 plus 2 times 5. Now, there's no brackets, so you don't have to worry about that. So we go straight to the next step. Indices, there's no powers. Now, we do have a plus and a times there. Now, multiplication is done before any additions or subtractions. So we can do the times first. So you can have 3 plus 10, which is equal to 13. Okay, now if we apply that to the algebra question, we've got a plus and a times there. We've got to do the times before the plus. So it becomes 3a, and then 2a times 5 is positive 10a. So positive 10a, and then our answer is 13a. 13a plus 10a is 13a. So copy that down. Now, question 3. We have 8x minus 4x divided by 2. Now, we've got subtraction and division. We know with BIDMAS, right? Got that rule, BIDMAS. We know that division and multiplication are grouped together, but they come before the addition and subtraction. So we've got to do the divide part first. So if you like, 4x divided by 2 is 2x. So we've got 8x subtract. So just doing this bit here first. 2x. And then 8x minus 2x is 6x. Okay. Now what about this one? We've got division and times. Now they're grouped together, so you don't have to do one before the other, but you do whichever one comes first from left to right. So as I'm going from left to right in this direction, I bump into the division first. So I've got to do that first. So 15k divided by 5k. So let's work that out. 15k divided by 5k. Now the k's will cancel, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So just doing this bit first here, that's equal to 3. And then I've still got the times 3 there. So that gives you 9. And let's do the next one. Now here we've got a division and times again. And again, it's whichever one you bump into first when you're looking at division and times. So we bump into the division first. And this will be 15k divided by 3. So 15k over 3. Now 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that's 5k. In this particular example, you're going to get a squared term, aren't you? So 5k times 5k is 25k squared. And last of all, we have one with brackets. So with BIDMAS, brackets comes first. So 10k minus 4k is 6k. So I'm just going to keep this as 4 times 5k divided by, I'm doing the brackets first, so that's 6k. Now, I've got a times and divide here. Which one do I do first? Well, whichever one comes first from left to right. So I'm doing the times first. So that's 20k divided by 6k. And remember, we write these as fractions if we don't get a whole number that it simplifies to. That cancels. And then 20 over 6, if you're thinking about it, what goes into 20 and 6 is 2. So we get 10 here and 3 here. So my answer is 10 over 3. Okay, so that's it.